Alright, so we just got back in the car. We're still at the Toyota dealership. I went through the service and talked to them, and they put notes in and this and that. Told them everything that's going on. Told them I have proof of pictures. Told them I have had this issue since like first couple months that I've had the car, which was super low miles. And I told them that there's nothing done to the car. The check engine light's from a catless downpipe, which they said clearly doesn't do anything, because you know, if you're having oil consumption issues, it's not because of your downpipe. And I've only had it about a week or so maybe even 100 miles. But yeah, it's a pain in the butt, but the lady was awesome. They like I said, they're gonna open a case, they're gonna do an oil change, they want to see that the oil's low, so they're told me not to top it off, so the car's pretty much just gonna sit. And yeah, so far it's been a smooth process. Last time it was kind of a pain in the butt, but yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. This is kind of just like a little informational video related to this, because I know it's a known thing for these 2021s. It's irritating, but everything should be on the plus side. They're gonna open a case and go from there. Hopefully my car doesn't get lemon lot, or if it does, then I guess we're getting a Honda Civic 1999 and we're rolling that all year. But yeah, we're gonna get into some other stuff later. I might include it in this video, might not, but that's my 2021 A90 oil consumption part 1 video right there, you guys. Peace out. My boy's getting it. Whoa. Look at him. That's the Yamaha 6000 right there. Okay. Couldn't end the video all depressing about talking about my Supra oil issues. Into a classic car and something. There's some crazy cars here you guys are about to see. It's insane. It goes all the way over there. Must be nice. These are so sick, huh? Something different just to have. Dang, I don't even think I could get in there with my skinny jeans on. Or his. There he is, just delivering my new car out. Yeah, those wide body Hellcats are insane though, dudes. This thing's sick. Anyone who knows me personally knows I want one just to do something like this. Garage queen. I don't know what this is, how it is, or why, or what it is, but something different, huh? Attack! I say, that thing is clean, boy. Might be smaller than the car I drove. Thing's sick, though. Look how small it is when we zoom out. That color's sick, dude. It's one of the colors I wanted to wrap the car. That color is sick. That thing's so pretty. Packed out here, dude. It's a Supra. Oh, the Supra's up here. Eee. Must be nice. I gotta stick my head out the window to get some air. Little C8 out here. say. That thing's crazy out there. Look how long that is. My car like fits to like right here. That's it. Oh, that's the lowest I've ever got for some cinematics. The car. This is the cleanest freaking spec ever, dude. Thing's nicer than my car. Literally. Look at the seats. My leather's more messed up. Dude, I'm telling you, every time I see one, I'm freaking jelly. I want right-hand drive. Sugar Mama Finder Part 2 activated. It got the bloody guts though, Robert. I might have got you back.
That might make up for
Oh, look at her. C51 LS 16.
That's custom?
Corvette mixed, supercharged, procharged, and turbocharged Camaro, you're saying?
Yeah. It's
And it goes.
yeah, when it shifts.
Okay. What does it do when it doesn't shift? He said,